I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the Redmi A3 and remove its case so you have full access and zero accidental nudges. Clean the screen with the alcohol wipe to remove oils, then dry with the microfiber. This prevents trapped grime. Use the dust sticker to lift remaining particles. Make sure to inspect under bright light. Hold the tempered glass by the edges while still in its tray. This preserves the adhesive and gives you precise control for the next alignment step. Once done with cleaning, dry fit the protector to learn how it aligns with the Redmi A3 notch and camera. This avoids errors when adhesive is exposed. Peel the liner just enough to reveal the adhesive edge. Align that edge to the bottom or top reference, then lower slowly from one side to the other. Make sure you don't slide it. Gentle placement reduces air pockets. Press the center lightly so adhesive spreads outward, because that action naturally pulls out most small bubbles. After placement, use a soft card wrapped in microfiber to push any remaining bubbles toward the edges, starting from the center. That forces trapped air out. If you find tiny dust specks, lift the glass gently from the nearest corner, use a dust sticker to remove the particle, and reseat the protector. Only do this for very small corrections. Finally, confirm edge adhesion and touchscreen responsiveness. If you see lifting, large bubbles, or cracks, replace the protector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.